In this video, I'll demo how to use Slack's transcript to caption your video. First, open Slack and go to your message with yourself. Next, select Attach and upload from your computer. Select a file and then send it to yourself to upload it. Then wait for Slack's transcript to appear below the file. Since AI did the caption, you need to review it to make sure it's accurate. To do this, select View Transcript, then expand the transcript and use the video player options to adjust the video speed and review. Any needed edits will have to be made in the text editor you paste the transcript to. Select the copy button above the transcript and paste it into the text editor. Now you can make edits or save it as an SRT or text file. You'll need to adjust the timestamp formatting for an SRT file or remove the timestamps for a text file.